Rob, I have a whole bunch of empty matchboxes here, and I'll line up 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in a row and see if I can lift them up together. Oh, yes, I can. What will happen if I take one hand away?
They'll all fall down.
Will they, or won't they? They stay there.
That? You've got the trays pushed into each other?
No, the trays are not pushed into each other.
Glue?
No glue. In fact, they're still quite separate. Want to try it?
Yeah, all right.
All right, there's 4 matchboxes.
Hang on, what's the matter with the 4 you used?
Those, I'm just keeping these here.
These got them tied together.
Yes, they are. All right, try those 2, plus another 2.
Oh, well, I guess you put the cottony ones at the end.
Yes.
The 2 in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And then getting everything positioned, arrange it with the cotton at the top, and the tension should hold everything there.
Yes, you have to measure the cotton very carefully, but it will work for a while. See if you can do it with 5 or 6 matchboxes.
I want to know. Curiosity.